Many common household items can contribute to toxicity in the home, often releasing harmful chemicals or substances that can affect air quality and overall health. Here are some of the top culprits. 1. Cleaning products. All-purpose cleaners, bleach, and disinfectants. Many contain volatile organic compounds or VOCs and harsh chemicals that can irritate the respiratory system and skin. Fumes from these products can linger in the air long after use. 2. Air fresheners and scented candles. These products often contain synthetic fragrances, phthalates, and other chemicals that can exacerbate allergies and asthma, as well as contribute to indoor air pollution. 3. Pesticides and insecticides. Chemicals used to kill pests can be harmful to human health, particularly when inhaled or ingested, leading to various health issues. Formaldehyde-containing products. Furniture, pressed wood, and carpeting. Many manufactured wood products and furniture can emit formaldehyde, a known irritant and potential carcinogen. Non-stick cookware. Some non-stick pans contain chemicals like perfluoroalkyl substances, or PFAS, which can be harmful when heated, potentially leaching into food. Personal care products. Shampoos, soaps, and cosmetics. Many personal care items contain parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances that can disrupt hormones and irritate the skin. Lead paint. Homes built before 1978 may still contain lead-based paint, which can chip and create dust that is toxic, especially to children. Mold and mildew. Excess moisture can lead to mold growth, which releases spores that can cause respiratory issues, allergies, and other health problems. 9. Old appliances. Some older appliances, such as refrigerators and freezers, may contain refrigerants that are harmful to health and the environment. 10. Bathroom products. Products like toilet bowl cleaners, shower cleaners, and mildew removers often contain aggressive chemicals that can be toxic if inhaled or come into contact with skin. Mitigation tips. Use natural alternatives. Opt for natural cleaning products or make your own using ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Increase ventilation. Open windows and use exhaust fans when using cleaning products or cooking. Read labels. Check for harmful chemicals in personal care and cleaning products and choose safer alternatives. Regular cleaning. Keep your home dust-free and address any leaks promptly to prevent mold growth. By being aware of these common household items and taking steps to reduce exposure, you can help create a healthier living environment.